This is the lock picking kid, and I got sent this lock from Logan is on Discord.
What kind of lock?
I got sent an ASSA Desmo slider lock with 2 sliders in it.
Now there's 8 sliders.
Yeah, but you took...
Yeah, I took 6 out.
Yeah.
So we have 1 slider to each side. Okay, go for it. If you can't move it up, you have to let out tension all the way sometimes. So just move it up just a little bit. Put tension back on it. Oh, what happened just there? What happened?
I
Tell
just got rotation.
So did you set the right side?
Mm-hmm. Now I need to do the true gate test.
The what now?
The true gate test, was that?
Yeah, the true gate test. So you're testing to see if it's in a true gate. So what are you looking for when you do that?
For it, when you're moving it on the bottom, then it needs to be going up and then going back down.
So it wiggles a little bit?
Yeah.
Okay. So
that's exactly what should happen.
alright, good job.
Move on to the next.
Alright, same thing with the left side. Remember, just let up tension just a little bit, or sometimes a lot, and just move it up just a little bit. Oh!
Oh.
Alright, so let's stay here. Hold on. Let go. So just show everybody. Okay. We just lose light?
Yeah.
We did, didn't we? Either way, you can see 2 sliders are in there, pinned up. And we will be right back and try to pin it up with 2 more, say 4 sliders.
4 sliders?
Alrighty. Okay, lock picking kid is back. Say hi, lock picking kid. Say hi.
Hi.
Alright, how many pins do we have in here now?
4.
4. Actually, you know what? Let's just bring this out to show. So if we don't get it, we don't get it. Got our light back. So there are 4 pinned up in there. I don't know why I just did that. Oops, just went back over here. Alright. Should just do this on camera. Okay. Alright, the key is working. Alright, we have 4 sliders in there. Get to work, man.
Wait, I need that to be like...
Yeah, do what you gotta do. This tells you what you're doing, but don't tighten it too much because this is a cam lock. And if you put too much pressure on here, the core won't turn. So whenever we get this in the vise, we always want to make sure the core can turn with the key.
Kind of like that one lock.
Well, this is the lock that you tried one time. Remember?
Oh, yeah. And I was really tired.
Yeah. So I can try it again before we send it back to Logan and see how many pins we could get. So we have 4. Just walk us through what you're doing, man.
So right now I'm trying to...
How do we lift pins if they're hard to lift?
You let go of the tension almost all the way.
And then you put it back, put the tension back on, right? So test it.
Wait. Okay, right there.
You do the gate test real quick.
With this? Nope, it's not in the position.
And you have to let up the tension and move the slider. Let up tension. Almost all the way. I think that's a true gate, right? Is it wiggling? You have to press down on that too.
I have to press down harder more?
No, I'm saying you need to move down, go up and down with the flag. Is it moving?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is. So make sure that you're going up and down to check it for that true gate. So we are in a true gate with the first slider on the right side. And now which are you moving on to?
The second right one.
And I see you have a lot of tension on there if you're going to try to raise that. Now make sure you don't touch that first one. Alright?
Because that's already set. And if I mess up that, then...
Yep, you want to bring that second one up just a bit. And then you check it again with your tension.
I think it should go down low.
Nope, it's not true gate. Remember, you're not moving it up and down like this. This is how you move it up and down. Alright, you twist it. Okay? It's a little bit different than what you're used to.
I got it.
Did you?
Uh-huh.
Well, if you set the right side, then there should have been some rotation. I don't think you're set.
It's...
Maybe try to move it a little bit higher. Or maybe give it a good heavy pulse, like I told you. So push on the tension really heavy. Yeah, push really heavy. Like hard. Okay, so we're not getting anything yet. So back off the tension. Right? Yep.
That's what I'm true gate.
Definitely moving. So go to your second one. On the right side, and be sure not to touch the first one you have set.
Yeah.
And you just twist it a little bit to move it up. And you have to let up tension.
That's...
Yeah, you want to push it up. The second one. Let off tension to move it up a little bit. Let up more tension. There you go. Alright, now put tension on it. Now do your true and false gates. Now test.
But we just went here a second ago, so that... And I just did it, and it didn't. Probably somewhere right there.
Move it up a little bit more. There it is.
Okay.
Alright, now you want to do a true and false gate on both of them again. Press really hard. You can press really as hard as you want, really. The harder the better, and just make sure those things are wiggling up and down. Is it
Yep.
both 1 and 2?
Both.
Awesome. Alright, so now you're going to work the second side. You have to be very, very, very sharp and make sure that you're not going to touch any of the sliders on this side now. Okay? And that's why it's important for you not to go up and down like this, to just move it like this and just maneuver it nice and easy. Okay? So you're twisting it. So let's move on to the second one, since that first one isn't binding. Alright, let up tension and move it to...
I think I was going too deep.
Yeah, it's
My
difficult.
arm is starting to hurt.
Yeah. Just let up tension a little bit. Actually, a lot more. There you go. Keep going. Good. Now try tension again. Yeah. Check for the false gate. Try to press it down a little bit. Yeah, that's not a true gate, right?
Mhm.
All right. Now try your second one, or your first one. I'm sorry. Give it a good push. Oh my gosh. That's awesome, dude. Alright, I think 4 would be good for right now. Young man needs to eat breakfast. So let's go ahead and gut this. You mind if I take over from here, buddy?
Huh?
You mind if I take over?
Mhm.
You stay here. And you just tell me what you see, alright? Alright. So it's clearly picked. Remember, what are these?
Those are little. I remember them
Side
bars.
sidebars. So whenever we get the true and false gate, or the true gates lined up, right?
Then
they clamp in, right?
Yeah.
Allowing you to rotate the core. So that's really cool. So you got 4, and once you get 6, that's actually they have a 6-pin lock, so that's an official pick. But I think for now this is really good. Proud of you, buddy. If we get it out.
I feel like it's going to be super extremely hard to pick it with 8 pins.
Here we go. Finally, we got the first one out. It was the first one from the.
After this, then I'll be doing.
Actually, it'd be left side because I got it upside down.
After this, then I'll be doing 6, right? And after that, I'll be doing 8.
Yes. And once you get 6, that's officially picking the Desmo because there are 6 pin Desmos. You still want to try to stick with this to try to get 6 sometime?
Yeah.
Well, that's a pretty big deal. Okay. So these sliders need to come out then. The sliders, believe it or not, I don't think you've seen this yet, have pins in there too. Is there a cat? Our cat's fighting. It's fine. Lock picking good.
They're
Over.
not fighting because I left the bar over there. It was just messing with the lamp. pliers now that he's messing with.
Okay. Just my panel. Alright. So can you grab a lockpick right here and show us where the true gates are on each of these pins?
True gate. True gate is right there.
Which is top, bottom, or middle?
The true gate is on the top right there.
Mm-hmm.
And it's on the top on this one too.
Yep.
And this one is the middle.
Mm-hmm.
This one is the middle too.
So how many gates do they have altogether? No, you don't have to add them all together, just on one pin. I'm sorry.
3.
3, that's right, 3 gates. 2 false and 1 true.
And this
And
would be false gates, and this would be a true gate.
Mm-hmm. And we're gonna check out these sliders, or these sidebar, just to show you that they're not tampered with in any way.
It's kind of, the sideboard, it's kind of cool how when you take them out, then they have these pens inside.
Alright, so that's that. Lockpicking Kid, go ahead and sign off.
Bye.
Oh, you want to thank somebody first, right?
Thank you. Logan is on Discord.
Logan is on Discord. Alright guys, take care.
Bye.